In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the adjusted open rate for HubSpot marketing emails. Understanding and optimizing your email open rates is crucial to the success of any marketing campaign. This feature gives you insight into how effective your emails are at capturing your audience's attention. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to head over to HubSpot's homepage. To do this, simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or use the search function to locate HubSpot. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited recently, as keeping current with any updates can help streamline your process. Now look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. It's usually highlighted, ensuring easy access for users. Click on this button to enter your credentials. Remember, keeping your login information secure is extremely important, so always ensure you're logging in through HubSpot's official site. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on HubSpot's main dashboard. This is essentially your control center, offering access to various tools and insights for your business operations. From here, you want to navigate to the Marketing tab. This section is where all your marketing activities, including email campaigns, are managed. After clicking on the Marketing tab, you should see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Email. This takes you to the email marketing section, where you can manage, analyze, and optimize your email campaigns. The next step is to choose Analyze. This option will provide you with in-depth insights into your email campaigns, including open rates and other critical metrics. Ignoring these analytics is like flying blind. They are essential for understanding how your audience interacts with your content. Now that you're in the Analytics section, look for an option labeled Open Rate. Click on this and you'll be presented with the open rates of your email campaigns. It's crucial to understand that the open rate is a percentage representing how many recipients opened your email against how many received it. A higher open rate usually indicates that your subject lines are engaging or that you've successfully targeted your intended audience. However, to find the adjusted open rate, look for any filters or advanced options that allow you to customize the displayed data. The adjusted open rate accounts for various impactful factors, possibly offering a more accurate representation of your email campaign's performance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly access and analyze the adjusted open rate for your HubSpot marketing emails. Always remember, continual optimization and analysis are key to improving your email marketing strategy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy analyzing.